If you are looking to gather some information about how to become a literacy mobilizer, then you have just clicked the right video. In this video, I will share with you a whole sample job description of a literacy mobilizer that helps you understand not only the most important duties and responsibilities or the education and skills requirement, but also let you know about different organizations, like what type of candidates these organizations are looking for to fulfill literacy mobilizer job vacancy, and how you better get prepared for this job to have numerous opportunities. So as you can see on your screen, I have created this particular job description sample for you guys. Firstly, I will read the job summary paragraph that includes all the very important information about this particular job of a literacy mobilizer. After this particular paragraph, we will also see the duties and responsibilities section, as well as the requirement section as well at the end. Okay, like if I can read for you guys this particular job summary paragraph, we are searching for a professional and talented literacy mobilizer to oversee our education committee. In this position, your chief goal will be to collect data about out of school children. Your duties will include pinpoint space for schools, pinpoint best teachers, convince parents to enroll children, and making village profiles that highlights all the facilities. The ideal candidates will have a strong understanding of education system and understand issues of communities. To excel in this role, you should demonstrate excellent problem solving and persuasive skills. So this is our job summary paragraph. After the job summary section, we have the detailed duties and responsibilities section that provides more detailed duties and responsibilities that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify for a job of a literacy mobilizer. Okay, like if I can read for you guys all these duties and responsibilities. As a literacy mobilizer, your duties and responsibilities include establish village education committee and make sure that mothers are part of the committee. If female participation is not possible with male, then establish separate female education committees. Pinpoint best space for school, pinpoint best teachers, making village profiles highlighting all the facilities in the region. Pinpoint out of school children in the regions, making a list of all out of school children in the regions with their names, age, parents' name and contact details. Convince parents to enroll children in school. Coordinate constantly with teachers for the smooth functioning of the school. Observe class and provide support for teacher in the teaching. Coordinate with team for orientation and training of teachers. Coordinate with team for the provision of all supplies. So all these are the detailed duties and responsibilities for a job of a literacy mobilizer. After this particular section, we have the requirement, or you can say qualification section. This section includes the education, skills and sometimes experience requirement that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify for a job of a literacy mobilizer. Like if I can read for you guys all these requirements. As a literacy mobilizer, you must have a BA or BSc or equivalent qualification. You must also have a strong understanding of education system and issues of communities. You must also have a strong understanding of dealing and persuading people, strong negotiating expertise, ability to work in all regions include remote regions as well. You must also be willing to serve for community development, strong communication and interpersonal expertise, strong knowledge of education system as well as strong writing expertise. You must also know about basic computer skills including MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So all these are the detailed requirements for a job of a literacy mobilizer job. And at the end, our job description ends with a call to action paragraph that states how a particular potential candidate can apply for a particular job, or in easy words, you can say that how they approach to an HR department to get more information about this particular job of a literacy mobilizer. So basically, a medium of contact is written in this section by an organization. And finally, our job description is ended here. I hope you like today's video on a job description of a literacy mobilizer. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do appreciate our hard work in creating this particular video and sample for you by subscribing our channel Knowledge Topper as well as like our Facebook page. And do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material not just related to these topics but from many other career oriented videos as well. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.